Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to your another reading. Let's get into it. Let's see what all you need to know today and what are the guidance and messages coming up from the universe. Ignore my cat in the background. She makes a lot of noises. She started playing now. Okay, let's get into it. Connect my energy with the collective. Also, guys, let me know because from past 1 week, I have been feeling a lot of energy of my collective. So I feel like posting 3 times a day, like in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening and night time. So let me know if I should post that or you guys are gonna get bored because I feel like the collectives have been shifted and one reading is not going to resonate with all of my subscribers. So, and I don't even believe in like pick a pile sort of a reading because I don't resonate with that deeply. So I feel like I should be posting 3 different videos because I have like whatever the amount of video I want to post. So you guys tell me whether I should go for it or you guys will get bored and you'll be like, stop, we don't need to see you on our feed all the time, like morning, evening, afternoon. Okay, so what I feel is that some of you are really sad and you want to come out of that energy and you are ready to do literally anything in order to come out of that energy, and because of that you can make some really bad decisions, and that's why I'm here on your feed. So I feel like because there is a lot of sadness, this can also come from a breakup, this can also come from a fight that you had, but there is like deep sadness, deep feeling of loss, feeling of I lost everything, feeling of I don't know what to do, feeling of like suicidal thoughts, feeling of like major sadness, major heartache, major heartbreak. But because of this feeling, you guys can take some really bad decisions because you want to get out of this energy. You will come into this energy of like enough is enough. I want to get up and I want to make myself happy. I want to like break free from the sadness. This is the saddest card. And in order to do this, you can take some really bad decisions. Literally, the devil coming out. So, your advice here to take a pause. If you're feeling this energy, I know how it feels. Your guides know how it feels. But this is happening for a reason. And for some of you, this is an illusionary heartbreak. What do I mean by that? I'll tell you. There is a need for you to feel certain emotions. There is a need for you to feel this way at this point in time right now so that something can happen in the future. So maybe your reaction is going to bring some changes inside of the person that made you feel like this, or this feeling is going to change something in your life. But this is happening for a reason, but do not take any harsh, I was gonna say nasty. So do not take any nasty, harsh decision just because you're feeling sad. You can just go and maybe meet your friends, but do not go and party with your friends. What are they supposed to be doing right now, Spirit? What are they supposed to be doing in this feeling? Okay. One more card. One last. Thank you. Okay. What you should be doing, I'll speak in 3 different groups. So one, if you are worried around your love and relationship and commitment, if you are seeking commitment in your life, give me a moment. Yeah, so if you're seeking commitment into your life, just know that the commitment is coming. Just know that the happiness of family, having people, celebration, victory. So if you lost something in your career life, you will soon win also something. So there always comes an up after a down, right? So up after a down. So if you're here, you will just saw triple four, you're protected. You are taken care by the universe and by the angels. So this is very divinely guided situation. Like I said, You're supposed to be feeling the way you're feeling right now because this is going to bring in something inside of you, maybe an awakening. So everything is divinely guided. So maybe this is like very illusionary situation that had been created in your life so that you can feel a certain emotion and so that something can happen into your life. This can be devilish, this can be divine. Okay. So just know that you will have the success, you will have the family, you will have the family life. But right now, just give it some time. Just give it some time and give time to time. So let time decide. Time will give you a lot of clarity onto the situation. One more thing that I'd like to tell is that if you have a very great relationship with your parents or your family or a person that you call your family or people that you call your family, this can be friends, this can be your partner, whoever you feel like is your safe place, safe space, your home, your family, your house, will give you the satisfaction, will give you the will like give you the healing in whatever happened right now. I just felt like if you had a fight with your partner, if you had a fight with your person and that's why you're so much heartbroken, you might feel so sad because I said that if you have a good relationship with your partner, they can heal you. But for some of you, your partner is the reason why you're heartbroken. But you will have to realize one thing, that you'll have to let go of certain relationships to find the person who is going to be there for you and who is going to heal you. Now, what do I mean by that? You'll have to let go of a toxic person, a toxic relationship, so that you can find the person who can heal you. So that you can find the person who can love you and heal you and not break you. This is the lesson for you. 646, as I said that. 6 is family, 4 is also protection, family and love and all of that. Okay. But regardless of what, you will move on from this heartache or you will move on from this sadness by knowing that family is coming, or your family can help you, or you have something around family and people that you love, or success and celebration. So maybe when you just go and celebrate with your family or your friends, this is going to actually heal you. This is actually going to like soothe you. I know I said that don't go and party, but this is for like a very specific collective. Maybe you will get into trouble if you go and like hang out with certain friends and your partner might get angry or something might happen. But for the rest of you, now you take what resonates with you. If you feel like, okay, nothing can happen because my partner is not insecure and they don't have any problem if I go and I have the understanding, then I feel like you going and just having a party or celebrating with your friends or your family, or just spending time with your family, being in the presence of your family, your parents, your sister, your brother, whoever it is, will soothe your energy, will make you feel good, will make you feel a lot better, and will help you actually to move on from this situation, whatever it is. Let's get some more cards. I don't know why I feel called towards this deck. Then there might be a reason, but only take if it is resonating with you, because this is not a romantic reading is what I feel. I want to call you but I couldn't say a thing. So somebody wants to come and like talk to you, but they just don't have the energy, or this is your energy. I am depressed over you. Yeah, this is not even coming a romantic message. I decided to text you, but then I just can't. One last card. You're out of my league. Oh, I think you're lying. So like I said, if you have any misconceptions and insecurities and I want to take revenge, oh my god. So if you are stuck in a relationship or in a connection where if you do something and if it hurts your partner, they are going to do exactly the same thing which is going to hurt you. So like a very revenge sort of a connection. So if you are in that sort of a connection, just know that this is not healthy. Just know that this is not what you deserve, and just know that you have to get out of such energy, such connections, because this is not what you deserve. And this is not the person who is going to change for you, because they are so much stuck into their own ways of dealing with stuff. You will have to walk away and respect yourself at least for a while, so that they can learn, so that you can learn, so that both of you can work on your patterns and then come back together. But if you are in a revengeful relationship, you should be running away. That's a no-no. That's a no-no, babe. right? This person definitely is thinking about texting you, but they cannot say anything because I feel like this is very divinely guided, full stop, onto your situation. They feel like you're lying, and that's why they want to take revenge, and that's why that party wala also situation came into my mind. So take it if you feel like that's for you. Now, for the rest of you, if you're not in a revengeful situation, then I feel like there is somebody who wants to text you, call you, because they are depressed over the situation. This cannot be the same person that you're sad for. So I feel like there is a person who made you heartbroken, and there is another person who is obsessed with you, who wants to text you and who wants to be there for you, but because they feel like you're out of their league, they are like delaying the procedure. They are not coming and talking, and they are depressed. So feels like a third party situation. You only take how it resonates. This is different for everybody because this is a general reading. Okay, but one more thing that I'd like to tell you is that you're thinking straight. Whatever you're thinking, keep thinking exactly that, because you're thinking right. You don't need to change your perceptions around anything. You don't need to settle for anything. If people are coming and trying to tell you, okay, you need to adjust, you need to do this, you need to change, do not change yourself. You are doing exactly what is right. You are perfectly in alignment with the source and your mind and your heart and body. Everything is perfect with you, not with other people. So if other people are coming and telling you that, okay, you need to change yourself because there is something wrong with you, there is something wrong with those people and not you. So make sure you don't change yourself for people and their comfort. Think about yourself and your comfort, because that is going to bring you everything that you need in your life. But okay, I'm not saying that you're always going to be the right person, but at least now and in the situation, you are the right person. Do not change your mindset. Let other people change. Let them shift and mold and be uncomfortable for a while, because they have made you comfortable, right? That's all that I have for you guys for this reading. Let me know if I should post thrice a day, and if I get at least like 50 comments, because 50 souls is so much. So if I get that, or even if I get like 100 plus likes on a comment, like if somebody posted yes, post thrice a day, and then if people are like liking that comment maybe 100 plus times, then I'm gonna start posting thrice a day, because your validation matters to me the most, because I'm posting for you guys, not for me and myself, right? So do let me know that. And for personal readings, you can connect with me through the link in the description box below, or you can DM me on Instagram. And sending you so much love and light. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, take care.